Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Feli Bandejas, 43 years old. I am married. I have two children, ages 21 and 16 years old. My working experience is in Singapore for 2 years, taking care of two children and two adults. My main duty there is taking care of newborn, preparing a milk, and 1-year-old girl preparing for her food. I do house cleaning, laundry, iron, and wash car. My second experience is in Kuwait, 14 years, taking care of five people, two adults, and three children. My main duty there is cooking the food for the three children for going to school and come back from their school. I do also laundry, wash the clothes, ironing the clothes, and tidy the house. I was also the car. My third experience is in Hong Kong for 1 year and 2 months. My main duty there is taking care of 3 years old girl and clean the house, cooking, wash the clothes, ironing the clothes, and wash the car. That's all, ma'am and sir. Thank you. I hope you heard me.